Good afternoon, we're back out. I'm just out testing the bike, the Giant, on a few hills, see how the gearing is. I haven't loaded it up, I've just come as it is, but just to give it a once over really. I've got a few hills up this way that I can pick out, quite steep some of them, so we'll see what it's like. I'm running in the probably second from bottom or third from bottom at 12-13 mile an hour, and I got a sort of top speed of about 18 in the bottom one, which was turning nicely. So, but I won't be doing them speeds, but on a bikepacking trip, because I'll be fully loaded. Anyhow, I'll bring you back when I get on the quieter roads. Yeah, the one plus side is temperatures have lifted. All that snow and ice has melted. It's about 7 degrees when I left the house, so it might get a little bit more icy when we get higher up. Obviously temperatures will be a bit lower, but I think there's been a good thaw in Cumbria. Right, off this main road. There we go. Yeah, the downside of the thaw is the roads are absolutely shit up. Mud, just wet. Yeah, lots of mud. And it is very grim, overcast. What you would put down as a proper January day. It looks a bit brighter towards the lakes, but looking at those hills, the snow looks like it's melted a bit from what it was last week anyhow. Yeah, this is not too steep, and I'm in probably the third from the sort of high gear at the back, and that's pulling alright. I'm going to pull over here. There's a nice vantage point. Yeah, got the lights on this afternoon. If you look towards the Lake District, the snow has melted, and the sun looks like it's out over there. Some strange emergency vehicle making a funny noise. Never heard that one before. Heading towards Brampton. So that's the main Longtown Brampton road. And you've got the edge of the Pennines here. That's Cold Fell, shrouded in cloud. Looks brighter in the east towards Geordieland. You alright, Geordie lad? Yeah, the mist's well down, but the snow has well gone. Right, that light needs adjusted up a bit. It's just temporary fixed on at the moment, it's the best I could get it. Oh, the ground's it's that after you've had the frost and you get that horrible mushy clayey soil stuff that sticks to everything. Ah, getting a little bit higher now. Yeah, so I've got to watch these bits here, because there's little pockets of ice in these puddles I noticed back there. I think it's getting darker as well, but I thought there was a tractor behind us. I'm not cold. Like, I went out on Saturday afternoon and it was absolutely Baltic. It was a bit sketchy in places, but much milder today. So yeah, just keeping the legs spinning. This time of year you've got to keep going, keep your fitness up in anticipation of trips to come. You know, you want to still have that strength in the legs to do a trip. Right, stopped for 5 in Heathers Gill, so we're steadily climbing. I mean, 4 from the top. There's a big steep bit, probably about what, Leaps Creek, 2 or 3 miles, so we'll see. Right, the rain is on. I think it was inevitable. I think I've got another 5 mile and I'll be coming back, so probably about 30 mile once I get done, but yeah, might put my leggings on though. Yeah, a bit of a front coming in, some sheep in there. So yeah, I want to stick the leggings on. Oof. It's just light, but yeah, I'll put them on. Yeah, it's proper set in now. Just come from nowhere, but I suppose, you know, it has threatened it. It's come off them bloody hills over there, hasn't it? But we're used to this. Yeah, I've upgraded my plastic bags that I use for my feet. Remember that last soaking I got on that trip in October on the Leeds-Liverpool on the Rufford branch? Well, got some sort of overshoes, covers they are basically, but they just keep all the crap and damp off my shoes, so I'm glad I brought them today. Yeah, I'll be doing this hill climb and then I'll be doing a U-ey and heading back, because this is horrible. Nice being out in the country though, but not in the chuck and rain. Oh, yeah, it looks set for the rest of the afternoon, so I'll get this hill out the way, push back into town. I thought I was pushing my luck coming out this afternoon, but need miles in the legs. Yes. So we're dropping in and then it's a big climb out. Oh, and this is not normally like this. Thankfully, it's shallow. I've never seen it like this one. But there is a bridge across now. This will all be the snow melt coming off the hills. Give me wheels a wash. Right, so this is the big hill out of Solmain. There's the bridge. Let's get down a gear. Second from the top, and it's going well. Only a bit of traffic. Right, I've popped it in the highest, 42, so 42 at the back and then 42 at the front, and this little bit here is quite a steep bit. It's a little blip. How's it going? Be different with weight on though, but it's manageable. Oh, yeah, up a gear, that's it. Oh, that gets the heart pumping. Lovely little cottage, hill cottage. Yeah. Camera's soaking, nothing I can do, but about half a mile I hang a left, come back on myself, so I'm on about 15, just under 15 now, so I don't know, maybe just under 30 by the time I get home, so not too bad. And that hill, that was okay. You know, obviously I'll have gear on, but it seemed alright. You know, and if it gets too bad, like we normally do, you get off and push. You get no medals for trying to ride up hills with gear on, loads of gear on your bike. If it's too much, you just get off, hike a bike time, and push. And we're on the Reavers route. Which I'm hoping to do this year. Be a 3-day job. Get the train out west, cycle in towards Carlisle via Cockermouth, and then across the moors here into Kielder, and then across towards Newcastle. Finish up that way. Hopefully we pick a better day than today. As usual, bit of a road closure. And the rain is coming down sideways, and the wind's picked up just to round the afternoon off. Yep. And there's a loose. You stay there. Get yourself back. Get yourself back, you daft barn pot. Oh, for God's sake. Where you going? Get out the way, man. Not should be going down here. Right, so there's one thing I will have to do. These mud guards, they only go as far as there. I've got a bit of mud guard at home. I'm going to have to put a bit down there because this is all getting shite up here. This is alright, I mean, it's the same here, but I'm going to have my bag on it here, so that'll stop it. I'm not getting much up there anyhow, but yeah, around here I am. It's not too bad, and this obviously covers a good way back, and the front one, that's a good way down. But yeah, I wasn't expecting it to be this bad. It's a good test, but to iron out any issues I've got with the bike. I had to do a little bit of adjusting with the gears again. Possibly the cable needs tight, it's probably stretched a bit with me, obviously it hasn't been used and you're going through all the gears and stuff, putting a bit of strain on it. Maybe just needs pulled through a little bit and tightened up, so I'll have a look when I get back. But yeah, not a lot to see out there. So I won't be doing an awful lot of filming on the way back. It's just wet. But always good to get out locally. As always, thanks for watching. We'll see you out sometime soon.